Tips. Today, I want to talk to you about the Biddle principle. That's right, B-I-T-L principle, before it's too late. If you are a fitness enthusiast, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. And I can guarantee you that most of us have experienced some Biddle in our lives. For example, you're in the gym and you're doing heavy back squats and it feels like your knees or your back are gonna explode. You gotta stop before it's too late. If you're out running day in and day out and your hips are jacked up to the point where you're starting to run like a clown and your knees start to get jacked up and then it follows all the way up your body, you gotta stop before it's too late. If you're doing Olympic lifts with a barbell, snatches, clean jerks, and it feels like your shoulder is gonna explode or rip out of the socket, please stop before it's too late. I understand you have a competitive spirit. You gotta keep pushing through. That's your ego that's going to take over, and that's gonna wreck you. Let's face it, most of us, we're has-beens. We're not getting paid to exercise. So remember, check your ego, listen to your body, ask a lot of questions, and remember this, it's all fun and games until you're up on that table and the orthopedic surgeon is sawing away at your femur, replacing your hip. Tips.